Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another lemon nail art look. This is for my nail art collaboration. I did post about this on my Instagram. For today's look, I'm going to be using the card gel polish in the blue color. I'm going to be applying 2 even layers of this gel polish to some full cover nail tips that I got from a card. I will be linking everything down in the description. This lemon nail art collaboration has been so much fun. I really enjoy seeing everyone's manicure that they've done, how I've inspired them to do something a little bit out of their comfort zone, and it's just a lot of fun to see a bunch of different people participating in this collaboration. So if you haven't already, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and participate in my next nail art collaboration. Here I'm just curing under my lamp, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my second layer of the gel polish. As you can see from my left hand, the first lemon manicure that I did for this nail art collaboration was yellow and green. It made me think a lot about Sprite or like a citrusy drink, so I wanted to do something a little bit different for my second look. So I'm doing like blue lemonade inspired nails. Fun fact, blue and yellow are my favorite 2 colors together. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take my white gel paint and the small side of my dotting tool, and I'm going to be adding small white dots to all of the nails. So I do have a little bit of a method when it comes to lining up my polka dots. So I like to do a line of dots going down the center of the nail. And then for the side rows, I do alternate the position of the dots. I just alternate this design going across the whole nail. After all the nails have their dots and they're all cured, I'm going to take my yellow gel paint and my fine nail art brush, and I'm going to be drawing lemons on each nail. For all the lemons, I am just doing them in the corners or on the sides of the nail. This look is so simple and great for beginners. After all the nails have their lemons and they're fully cured, I'm going to take the white gel paint again and my fine nail art brush. I'm just going to be outlining the lemon as well as adding the lemon slices. This is very simple, just pick a dot where you would assume the center of the circle would be and draw lines going from the outline of the lemon down to the center. You can add as many or as few lines as you would like. Then I'm going to do a full cure under the lamp. Once the nails are cured, I'm going to take my matte gel top coat and I'm going to apply a thin even layer to the entire nail. To be honest, I probably should have done this step before drawing the yellow lemon because I do want that part to be shiny. After I apply the matte top coat to all of the nails, I am going to cure under the lamp. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take my Macart top coat and I'm going to apply this only to the lemon. Like I said, this is because I want the lemons to be shiny and have the matte background. I'm going to cure under the lamp and then I'm going to remove the sticky layer. Here are the nails. I think this design came out so cute and very simple. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this design. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!